In this video, I'm going to show you how to check video size in Canva. Unfortunately, you cannot check the file size inside the Canva, so you can only see it after you download it to your computer. So here's how to do it. First, open your finished design in Canva. Click the share button in the top right corner, click download, and make sure the file type is MP for video. And just click this purple download button to save it to your computer. Once the downloading process is done, click this download icon, then click show in folder. Then locate the video file that you just downloaded. Now, if you use Windows like me, just simply hover over your mouse over the video file for a second, and a small info box will pop up showing the file size in megabytes. You can also right-click the video, click show more options, click properties, and look at the size line. If the file size is too big, you can go back to Canva, then click share again, click download, and before clicking the final download button, you can lower the quality slightly to make the file size smaller. So that's how to check video size in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.